Hey everyone, Kathy here, and I thought I'd do another quick little video, well, kind of quick little video, showing you my new hobby, because I just got a new kit and I want to get started on it. They're paint with diamonds, and if you've ever done cross stitch, then you'll kind of get the hang of this easier. It's not needle and thread though, it's different. So I'll show you what's in a kit, and then I'll show you the one I just completed. Let me try and get this. I don't have the greatest light in here, guys, sorry. Anyway, this one, there are websites that sell this stuff, but I bought mine on Amazon. It was really inexpensive. And so what you get is, you get a canvas, and printed on the canvas is the pattern. I don't know if you can see this. So you've got little numbers and symbols, and they're all color-coded, and they correspond with these. They call them drills, and I'll take them out of the package here, hopefully. And they're like acrylic little gems, and they're flat on the back, and they come in different colors. So, I don't know if you can see this. The lighting is not that good. Let me see if I can adjust. Oh, it's too bright. Sorry about this. I'm in my kitchen, so. But anyway, they come with these little tiny gems, and they're called drills. So you get different colors, and they're all numbered on each package. And then on the, usually my last one came with a pattern thing, but on the side of this is your key. And it tells you what number and what the symbol is and how many. Actually, it doesn't tell you how many on this one. But anyway, I'll show you on my next one what I mean by that. This one just shows you what the number is and the code is and etc. So you've got the canvas, you've got the drills, and then you've got these little tools. What they give you in this one, you've got a little tray to hold your beads. This is an adhesive, and then they give you the little tool. So what you do is you just pull back a little corner of the adhesive, like so. It's got a little plastic cover on it. And you take the tip and put it in a little bit, a few times, just to fill up this. It's like a gummy adhesive. And it goes into, I don't know if you could see this. I wish my camera was better. It goes into the tip of your pen here. And that helps you to pick up your little gemstones. So I'm going to take some out here just to show you, and I'll try and get up close and personal better here. I'm going to try and adjust my camera by bringing it down. So bear with me. And what you do with these, oh, and it gives you these little plastic baggies to put your gems in after you open a bag. So this canvas has a peel back cover on it, but you don't want to remove the whole cover. You only want to work in a small area because this is sticky, and you don't want to get dust and everything all over it because then it might lose its stickiness. So kind of start, I do start in a corner and work my way out. I think on my last one I actually worked my way up the side and then worked my way in. So anyway, but if you'll notice here, let me try and get this in here closer. So you've got your little symbols, and I'm going to show you just a few, just to give you an example. So if I can figure out, I don't have my glasses on. 310, I think that is. Let me put you on pause for just a second. Okay, so I'm looking at number 310 here, and according to 310, there's my symbol for 310. You see the little black with the white circle in between. So I look at my pattern and I find there's the little black with the circle in the middle. So that's where these little 310s are gonna go. So what I'm gonna do is open this one up just to show you a bit. I've already got adhesive on my pen. And so I'm just gonna pour just a few of these in here. Whoa, just a few in there so you can see them. So if you can see, when you pour them out, you see these shiny flat, that's the back. And the faceted side is the side you're gonna pick up with your pen. So, just like so. Oops, this is hard to do in the camera angle. Just like so. And then you're gonna take it and you're gonna peel back your plastic and press it onto the canvas right where the little symbol is. So you can see I push that down right there. And I pick up another one. And we're putting it flat side down again, right where the symbol is. So you work like that throughout your whole pattern, making sure sometimes you might run into some faulty pieces that are defective in here. You know, they're made by machine, I'm sure, but just pick those out. And anyway, you just keep working your way across. And it's very addictive. I find it very relaxing. And I just spilled my things all over the table here. Anyway, I show you underneath here, because you're either going to want to work on a table, like out at the kitchen table or something. But what I found is, and I'll zoom out and show you, what I work on, I found this on Amazon as well. This is a lap desk, and it has a lid, and you open it up, and you can keep all your little beads and such on the inside, so they're easy to put away. And it comes with this great working surface, so you can have this sitting on top and work on it anywhere you want. I use mine out in the living room. While we're watching TV, I'll be working on this. And this particular lap desk also has fold-out legs. Like, I'll do it here and show you. So it actually does fit over your lap if you want to use the legs. So that's pretty cool. But I don't know how long these paint with diamonds things have been around. I just found out about them here this year. So I finished one picture, and I'll show you here. And it took me about a month or just over to do this one picture, and I just love it. The only thing is, I went to Michael's to see about getting a frame for it, and they don't have a frame for the size of picture that I did. So you gotta kind of think about that when you're picking out one of these to do. Like, are you gonna be able to find a frame for it, or you're gonna have to have one specially made? Michael's was gonna charge me $100 on sale to specially make a frame for me, and I'm like, oh, forget that. I went on Amazon and I typed in the measurements and a picture frame, and it popped right up. So anyway, I'm waiting for my frame for this. So I'll turn my light back on here, and I'll show you the one I just finished. If you follow me on Instagram, then you'll know what this looks like. I'm gonna take my phone out here. But this is the one that I just finished this weekend. Turns out gorgeous. This is a bouquet of lilacs, and it's 20 inches square. So that's why it's kind of hard to find a frame for these. But I'll zoom in here close, and here you can see the gemstones. They call them drills. And there go my dogs. But anyway, it just turned out just gorgeous. Now, every once in a while, you may find, sorry about that, you may find, see if I can find one here. Sometimes they lift up a little. And you'll have to, oh, I can feel some here. You'll have to, let's see if I can find this again. You'll have to press it back down with your pen. So take that, find the one that's lifted up a little, and just push it back down. And you'll find them just by lightly running your hand over the surface. See, I feel another one here. I just lift it up just a tad and just push it right back down. So from time to time, make sure you check your work and put it down and just have fun with them. They're so relaxing. For me, it's easier than doing cross stitch because my hands don't have the dexterity they once did. And it's just easier for me to hold the pen and go like this and do this rather than try and mess with a needle. So I still will do cross stitch, but anyway. But it turned out gorgeous. This is a lilac bouquet. I can't wait to get my frame for it and get it hung on the wall. When I do, I'll post a picture here on YouTube. But anyway, the next one I'm doing is, I don't know if you can tell from this, it's an oriental garden, like a Japanese garden with a cross bridge and tons of flowers, and it's just gonna be fantastic. And it should be easier for me to find a frame for this one. It's not perfectly square, it's more rectangular, and I think I can work with this one. So we shall see. But if you want to see my progress on this one, go follow me over on Instagram. And when I get further along, I'll post more pictures of this one as well. But anyway, I just wanted to share that with you. This is painting with diamonds or diamond painting. Some people call it, what, like diamond embroidery or something I've heard it called as well. But really cool, and they have so many designs. Michaels does carry these, but the one, at least my Michaels, doesn't have a huge selection. So I find a big selection on Amazon. Like I said, there's other websites that carry these as well. So go check it out. Painting with Diamonds. It's fun. It's fun. You can get the kids involved in this too. They have really fun, like kitten and puppy pictures and fairies and all sorts of whimsical dragons and everything out there. If you think of it, they probably have it in a Paint with Diamonds kit. So anyway, just wanted to share that with you. Let me know if you pick up a kit and how it goes for you. So till the next video, we'll catch you later. Bye for now.